I have a couple ideas.
For this class, I know what I want to do. I don't have anything drawn yet, but I'm just kind of mad because I was planning on doing something for plastics and intermediate sculpture, but I just found out that I should probably do like another whole project for plastics. So now I have 5 final projects plus the final paper plus crew, and like all my final projects are kind of insane. Is that hairspray? Because I've like
it's a hairspray bottle that
have a bank mission, so that just has to be
there
perfect.
There you go.
Yeah. And it has to be perfect. You know what I mean? There's like no room for error because it's being commissioned.
This is a great idea.
I've never seen someone double fist, so I'm kind of excited.
Are we good?
All set?
I got the U-Haul reserved today.
Oh, nice. I have to do that stuff.
Yeah, let's go for it.
What is that pen over there?
Nick?
It was really? Oh, I thought it was a dog pen.
I had no idea what it was for the longest time. I found it like just the other
Nelly, do you want this to be recording?
What does he do with his...
Oh, it is recording.
Like, does he plant them there?
Tell me when.
Yay, fire!
Did everybody read that?
I've been reading
the sculpture. I think that's probably okay. The little.
Wait, can we part down the center so that I can get it with the camera? What's this?
It's from the Bhagavad Gita. No?
Yep.
Yeah.
There it is.
Can you back up just a little bit so we can...
This camera's really loud.
Thank you.
Bless you.
Where you took it from, and there's like a lot of like selflessness and things about mankind.
Get it right.
The Bhagavad Gita. Song Celestial.
What is it?
Dialogue between Krishna, Lord Krishna and Arjuna. The eve of the battle of Kurukshetra.
Yeah, I didn't know that much about it. It's a Hindu text on reincarnation.
Even before you told us that this read is like... Maybe I'll look at this setting as just so but it read to me as very much like a cemetery kind of the pillars, and I think